So why should someone get the flu shot? It's to protect you against influenza. I think there's a big misperception about, I'm going to get the flu shot and it's going to protect me against colds and flus, and that's not at all what influenza is. Influenza is a severe viral infection that usually affects the nose, chest, and can cause severe complications such as pneumonia and high rates of hospitalizations. Most patients that are at higher risk are children, patients with chronic illnesses, heart disease, lung diseases, diabetes, patients over the age of 65. Those are the patients that we need to be thinking about and protecting and immunizing with the flu vaccine. But there's also this perception that I'm healthy, I really don't need my flu shot, I never get the flu. But at the same time, why wouldn't you want to do something to try and protect not only yourself, but the ones that you love, like your grandmother, your grandfather, the newborn babies in your family? That's what getting the flu shot is about. It's about protecting yourself against influenza, but also the people that you love that are more at risk of getting severe complications from influenza. So that's why I recommend the flu shot to most of my patients. And at London Drugs this year, we've got this amazing campaign that allows every patient that gets their flu shot, London Drugs is donating one life-saving vaccine to UNICEF Canada to help immunize children in developing countries against things like measles, tetanus and polio. So not only are you protecting your family from developing influenza and yourself, you're also helping a child in a developing country.